Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Happiness and Lifestyle and I'm Hema, and today again I'm bringing you guys another handbag video. And again, don't be surprised, it's going to be the same black. I've been obsessed with black handbags for some reason. I think I want black handbags in all shape and form, I guess, but I don't know. I found this in Ross and I just got it. So let me show you guys. It is this one here, and again I didn't get this recently or something. This was again another handbag like the one I showed previously that was sitting for a while right now, that I had bought from Ross, but I hadn't got chance to do a video on them yet. So I think this should be the last Kate Spade handbag. I'm not sure. I need to go check if there is anything that's missing that I've not showed you guys. But this is the Kate Spade. Hold on. What is this called? It's a small dome satchel, Patterson Drive. So it's a small, so that's why I liked it. And you would have seen, I think I had showed you guys a big dome satchel. I think it was the medium dome satchel, but it still was like very like a long, where the length was a lot. The one with the kind of like that stripes, right? That stripes that I showed you guys. I think that was a medium. Yeah, it was a medium dome satchel. That also I had got from Ross. I already shared that with you guys. Now I'm thinking of giving that to my friend or something, because this is kind of a good size for me. This is really pretty, and it's a perfect size for me, I feel. But I really like this one. It's just like a plain handbag. Here it has legs also, 4 legs, and like I said, it's a small dome satchel, Patterson. So there is the tag here, and let me tell you how much this is. It's USD 299. So that's the tag on it. It's USD 299. And so the zip on this, right, it runs all the way from here, like you can see, to the other side, right, all the way till. So you can actually, and just the logo as usual, right, the logo there, Kate Spade logo. And then it has that for the strap, it has that hook here, and then hook on the opposite side, on that side, right, it has. So you have to put the strap there. So it can be used as a crossbody too. And what I like is it has enough distance here that you can actually hold it on your arm like this. Now, I don't know if you guys, I'll link another handbag video in the end of this video, another Kate Spade, but that is a pebble leather Kate Spade. That's like a, what is that called, the block color, the multicolor kind of. So I have one which is like, it has that cream color, cream with like a black, right, it looks like that white and black kind of color block it's called. So that is a different material though, like it's a pebble leather. I'd showed that to you guys like long back, I think, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. But this one, it seems like it is the Saffiano leather, like it's that hard. And so it's like a nice handbag, like for a rough day, it won't scratch easily or anything. So that's why I liked it, something to carry when bad weather or whatever, it'll be a good one. So, and it's a good size. It's small, but you can like fill so much stuff in it. So that's why I liked. And that you can actually carry it. I can carry it like that too. And the fact that you can actually put the handle down when you're holding it as a crossbody, right? You can actually put the handle down, so it sits down. So that's another thing I liked. So if I open it, so it's just all the way through like a dome satchel, right? So real simple. So like you saw, just it opens up all the way through. That inside it just has the usual spade, spade design inside the fabric with that shiny spade design. And then it has a the logo is right here. And then this is the strap. So I haven't removed the strap. Let me actually remove the strap Actually, that's what I think. I was thinking in my mind that I have a Dooney and Bourke. So I think I was thinking like, oh, do I kind of need this? But maybe I was going to like compare it and try to keep it. But anyway, I'll still remove the strap and show you guys. Okay, I'm just trying to put the strap in the last hole that it has to see how much length it will be. Okay, I think I've checked out the length when I got like I actually got a gray one also. There was a gray also with this. I had bought it, but then I didn't want the gray color because I have one gray from another brand. I have a gray color one, so I was like, okay, I don't need the gray. Black is kind of like classy, right? You can use it anytime. Gray, I don't know how much you need because I think I have two grays. I have one Coach gray that also I have not ever used for a long time. Actually, before I put the strap on, let me show you guys inside even more, like anything else that's there. So, yeah, there's a big pocket here. Okay, there's like a pocket here on this side. And what is that? Like a pocket, and on this side you can see there's that Kate Spade logo thing. Let me turn and show you guys that one, the Kate Spade logo thing there with the zip compartment there. So it just has that one zip compartment, it just has that care card in there. So pretty simple bag actually. Now let's put the strap on and see how long it sits. Again, on the straps, yeah, there is Kate Spade written on these straps also. There's Kate Spade written on both of these here, like Kate Spade is written. So let's put this on. Oh, I think I didn't share the price. I mean, I shared the original, the retail price, which is $299, so almost like $300. So this is how much it'll be. If you put the strap, it's pretty long. But how much I bought it for, that is $99.99, so $100. That is the handbag. So now let me show you guys, like give you a mod shot, right? Let me take this Ross thing off. I don't like it when I try to take like that, shots of the picture or something. Stills, like of the picture to put on thumbnail, then you'll see this huge Ross thing there. But I already showed you guys, right? It was $99.99, $100. So that's how it looks. So you can see it's like a good size for me, right? For my height, it's like a good size. And let me try, let me go back so I can show you my shoes. You would have seen this shoe in some other, I don't know if you're not, no, I have not showed it in the video, but this is one of the shoes I had got, Alex Mary shoes. I love Alex Mary from Dillard's. Closed toe shoes with the block heel, I love it. And it has an ankle strap. And it's kind of that nudie color. So that's how it looks. And then let's put it crossbody, right? So if I put it like that, put it like this, but not something I like to do. That's how much length it is. I'm sorry guys, I'm very bad at posing, so bear with me. Just see how the length is and everything, that's all. Don't worry about my posing. Because just according to the height, just you can see where it falls, for me it just falls here. So it falls a little bit low for me, but I think it's okay. So that's how that would look, but I actually would prefer wearing it like that. So I love it. It's cute, right? And it's kind of like, I thought like, for like a rough use, like a everyday kind of a bag, I can like use it as an everyday bag. That's why I got it. It's like Saffiano leather. I don't know if it is like a outlet or a retail bag. I'm just wearing the glasses to see what it's written, like the code number or something, right? So it says small dome satchel. It says WKR. Oh my god, with the glasses also I'm having a hard time. WKRU 6058. Starts with the WKR. So I'm not sure you guys can see if it is like a retail bag or like an outlet bag, but that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like this bag, and I will see you in my next video. And I will maybe after a week I'll be announcing the giveaway. Let me give it like another week or two, because I want to announce the giveaway when I actually reach 1,000, like the giveaway winner. I want to announce it when I reach 1,000. So please help me reach that. Right now I'm at 950. I need 50 more subscribers to reach that. So as soon as I reach 50 is when I'll announce a giveaway winner. So please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and please comment below. And all I'm asking you guys is to just if you watch my video, just subscribe to my channel, and then you will be eligible for the giveaway. And if it doesn't happen too soon, I probably will announce it earlier anyway, but please subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much if you watched the whole video. I will see you guys in my next video, and take care. Bye guys, love you all.